Hello, and welcome to day 5 of our first module. Module 1, day 5, Friday, September 25th. Here is what we'll have to do for today. First thing you should do is watch this video. Then we will go to Async. You have 2 activities to do. The first one is an Achieve 3000 reading. So if you remember from yesterday, we did a whole lesson on Achieve 3000. You are going to do an article called Which Career is Right for You. So you will click on this article, you sign in to Achieve 3000, and it will bring you to the article, directly to the article. Remember, you are only supposed to do the article and the activity. Okay. All right. Your second activity for today is a Flipgrid. So you can click here on the Flipgrid. A lot of people have been having problems with Flipgrid. You can just go directly to flipgrid.com, enter this code, and then sign in with your CR email. Okay, so if you're having trouble with Flipgrid, please let me know if you're having any trouble. And also try going to justflipgrid.com and entering this code and then signing in with your CR email. All right, so you're just going to talk about your workplace interests and community interests and skills using gerunds and infinitives. And that's it for your async work. Now, Fridays will look a little different from now on. We will have conversation and yoga. So from 10 to 11, we will break into, we'll have conversation from 10 to 10:40, different, just practicing speaking to each other. And then we'll have yoga with Henry from 10:40 to 11. I will also be available if you have any questions about anything. I will be there to assist you. So I'll see you all at 10. Have a good one. Good luck.